Feels so much just like I... Okay, so we made the concrete shoes video and a lot of comments were saying concrete board, concrete board, concrete board, concrete board. So you asked for this. Okay, let's go. This is my idea. We got the Quickcrete, we got 2 skateboards, some cardboard, some tape, the bucket to stir the concrete. So I'm thinking we have 1 skateboard on the bottom and then this cardboard is gonna be the sides, and then we're just gonna pour the concrete in there and then basically smash this down. And then I was thinking maybe to make it stronger on the inside, I might even use this piece of wood, cut it in there, but it depends kind of how thick the concrete is. I don't know, the concrete form well around wood? Maybe it's just concrete. You're right. Scoring the box, so really bends.
You seem like you've done this before.
Well, growing up in Montana, there was this thing called the cardboard box races. And what you would do is you would make a sled out of cardboard boxes. And me and my friend were always trying to win the race. Look at that though, it's looking pretty good. I gotta do the same thing on this side, I guess. It's looking pretty good now. Okay, wait for it. Making a mold.
Yeah, that will definitely work.
Yeah, right? Just gotta make sure all those pieces there are pretty tight. Yeah, one more spot, kind of like right there. Oh no. Boom. And then once it's in there, then we're gonna put this on the top. I think that's brilliant. You think that's gonna work? Leave it in the comments below if this is totally gonna work. Nice water, good water. Something to mix it too. Use all the resources. Yeah.
Is that too full?
I don't know. How did we do this last time?
The last time our concrete was kind of chunky.
Yeah, well, reading the comments, they're saying like the first one, you know how the first one was like really smooth? And then the second one was like tons of rocks? They're like, it's because you didn't mix it up enough. You think it's okay now?
I feel a lot of love from the comments. They're just trying to keep us safe.
Yeah, literal. Well, I definitely messed up because there's way too much water in here. You done messed up, Aaron. Where does one just simply pour a little concrete water out at? Onto this old concrete. Is that looking a little more consistency? Okay, that's like...
Okay, there we go.
Yes, sir. Okay, just straight in there for the money. Nice and slow. Take her easy. Wow, it's really heavy. Oh, wow. On the bottom, it's almost like solidified already. That's why we should have done it in small batches, I guess. Okay, not exactly what we had planned, but actually it might be perfect because on the top we have the rocks for grip tape.
We've got a slight bit of leakage on the bottom.
Do we?
Yeah, but it doesn't look too bad.
Yeah, if you want to make this at home, don't try. This is trained professionals on a closed course. I mean, is that thick enough? I guess it's the only choice because it's about all we got. DIY concrete skateboard all day. We just put this one on for the shape. And that's it.
Am I wrong?
Is that the shape you like?
Yeah.
This is the board you ride.
Maybe it needs a little bit more weight. Oh, I don't know if I can lift it up. Oh, yeah. Pieces on this side. Now I need just some weight on the top. This is ultimate use your environment. Set it and forget it. Now we come back to it in 5 days. With his bootay. Okay, look at this thing.
Oh, it's already broken.
No, Gabe, just let a professional work here, okay? I don't need your negativity in my house. So we basically just peel this off, like so. Wow, look at that. Specimen. I'm getting really good at building molds. If you want me to bronze statue you for your home, leave it in the comments below.
It honestly is pretty impressive you were able to make this out of cardboard.
Yeah, and concrete. And 1 bag of concrete at that. And unlike the other one we had, which I don't think was actually shaped like a skateboard, this one is. Right, Nigel?
Absolutely, 100%.
I was thinking I was just gonna be able to peel the skateboard off, but now I'm a little bit nervous.
Oh!
It's like unearthing the mommy from the crypt.
Oh, look at that board on the bottom.
Shout it out.
So did you have a concrete idea of this, or was it on the fly?
Just punch
I tried to fart and I almost...
it.
Why do you hate my puns? They're so good. Dude, they're rock solid.
I was waiting for it. I knew it was coming.
Look at that, that's good though. Might need to just grind a little concrete off the side.
Oh.
See?
Oh.
See? Okay.
Oh, I see now.
Understand
Now I see. I had no
got
idea what you were doing.
Oh, you thought I was leaving the boards in?
Yeah.
No.
Same.
Wait. Should we have the people in the comments leave their guess as to what's going to happen? Because I think it's about to break.
Maybe it needed to cure up a little longer. Does it look a little wet? Doesn't feel wet. It has nice concave. Look at that. So the one thing I didn't do is I didn't put metal rebar in there.
That's your first mistake.
Which, we gotta find the rebar board, throw it right in the middle.
Or we just get fresh rebar, you know? Okay, how do we get this one off the bottom? Maybe where the tape's at, you can get a...
What's in there? Ah, I got it!
Honestly, Gabe, how sick is that?
It is really good.
I mean, I literally made this myself.
Really
I
good.
could build your house.
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
That's sketchy though. Don't you think?
Oh, it's working! Now build the skateboard off. Oh!
Look at that!
Wow! Dang!
Build my house!
That thing solid, man!
Yeah. Tell me this isn't better than the first concrete board we had. It'll get better than this. Trucks? Hardware? Dude, it's good.
Look at how off the holes are. You just need these two diagonal ones.
Oh, I think I know. It sucks. I think it's because I drilled them from the top and I drilled it probably slanted. Dang it.
Well, you live and you learn.
And sometimes you don't learn very well. There's still actually a hole all the way through though, which is quite
that
impressive.
hardware, ooh, it might just be long enough.
It definitely smells very concrete-esque. Why do I feel like Fred Flintstone?
I think you're gonna have to use these two holes. Dang, it does smell like concrete.
Yeah, I really do, don't it? Dang it. Yeah, it's not fitting. Should I just try and drill a new hole?
I think that might be the way.
I mean, it looks like it's pretty close.
It's so crooked though.
I know.
I would get this one in and then drill a new top hole.
Can you just drill through concrete like that?
Like right
I also needed a little bit away from that other hole. No way this is gonna work.
Is that what you did right there?
Yeah.
Dang it! Oh! Run it. It's the best we're gonna get.
I mean, I think we just call this Fred Flintstone skateboard. It's so close, but not. Let's try this one. We're golden. We're golden. Hardest skateboard I've ever made in my whole life.
Look at this concrete! You want that silver
I could already tell that that right truck is just, it's hanging out like this.
First test, roll it down a bank. Second test, just send a drop in.
So, you're right.
Just look at that.
Oh my God!
Wow! Who put these trucks on? I think they call this Braille skateboarding because you're so blind you can't see how to put trucks on straight.
We gotta get the thumbnail of that. That's so good.
Careful! Oh! We've now officially taken the thumbnail, but now it is our job as a team to get Aaron to drop in on it.
He will not do it.
He will.
He will not.
Well, that's why we need each other. Come on, let's go. We gotta get him. Hey, leave it in the comments below. Do you think Aaron is gonna drop in on this? I think he's going to.
We gotta put our best sales pitch voices on. Hello, sir. How are you doing today? Would you like to drop in? Nah, see, that's not gonna work. Hey, yo, you better drop it. It's not gonna work either.
You know what I think? Hello, sir. Do you have time to hear about your Lord and Savior dropping in?
Can you edit a business suit on me right now?
He doesn't think anything's about to happen. He's watching TikToks.
He's watching TikToks. Wait, am I saying it or you saying it? I'm scared.
Really imagine I spent 3 days building this board, then just
Hello, sir. Would you like to talk about our Lord and Savior dropping in on this?
stop.
Oh, we got shipping.
Oh, the trucks aren't sideways, are they? Look at how straight I'm going. I'm fully leaning to the right, going perfectly straight. It's perfect.
The definition of tipping on faux foes.
I think you can only ride it one direction. It's like my favorite band.
No. I think, let's go down the bank.
Go down the bank. Yeah, kickflip off.
Drop in off.
Okay, bank.
Bank first. And then drop in off Rochambeau. Whoever loses has to drop in. Can't be any worse than the ice.
This skateboard rocks.
Oh, you're leaning. You're leaning. Oh! That thing is not breaking. It is not breaking on a drop in. No way. It is not breaking on a drop in. There's no way.
I love it when you call me Big Papa. Sorry, just listen to that sign. It's in my head.
The jarring impact from bank to flat is more jarring than dropping in.
No, it's not.
Oh.
This board is just like you like your metal. Heavy.
If you land this, you'll cement yourself in history.
I need to go home.
To get your rocks off.
Come on, it's easy!
I literally popped.
This is the test though, Gabe.
What? Oh, hey, that wasn't bad. Don't get too confident now.
And then drop it.
Don't get too confident now. All right, drop in. Come on, you got it. You got it.
No, we need JD.
You are the original JD.
I used to be young.
That's right. What? This is cheating.
Why?
You gotta go drop in.
I am.
That was good warm up. I really don't think it's gonna break.
Stop, you're just lying.
I'm not lying. I know my track record's not the best. I made the wrong call with the Christmas tree, but this one, I'm really confident, all right? Count it down.
Remember? Oh, I feel so much just like I...
Oh,
Just like I did on the glass skateboard. You know, I was confident and then I wasn't.
You got it. Let's go.
Look at this. You only live once, right?
Oh, no way!
Kickflip off. This thing is good. Who made this?
Man,
I love how crooked the trucks are, but how you could actually roll straight.
I 100% thought that was gonna break.
Really?
Yeah.
It's actually pretty good. I ain't gonna lie, this is better than the concrete one we had before. This is good.
Ow. Which way do I have to lean? To the left, right? Yeah. All right, here we go.
Oh, ow! I got shot with shards of concrete.
Easy money, right?
No!
As soon as I landed, I felt everything just go, okay, it just gave up.
That concrete said, I'm tired, boss.
Now you know why they put rebar. How did we make the drop in though?
I don't know. That's what I was just about to say. I am so glad that didn't happen over there.
But look, it broke right on the hardware, right here.
Yeah, because the back one's fine.
Yeah, look at this truck. Well, I'm proud of myself for building something that worked on a drop-in. I'll take it.
That was incredible.
I'm upset that it ended so quickly. That wasn't that bad, though.
That's what never mind. What should I build next? Leave it in the comments below. I want to take your guys' idea, your guys' comments, and I'll build it, and we'll do our very best to skate it for you. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes, you, learn to ride a skateboard. We have everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.
Can someone make us a cast iron skateboard that we can cook dinner on? Thank you.
Please.